Hey guys, welcome to Isaiah's Reviews, and this is the Saicoo Bluetooth 4.0 Professional OBD2 Vehicle Scanner tool for your iPhone and Android device. It covers 16,000 trouble codes with voice prompts, and you get this through the app, which you'll download for free. It's iOS and Android. You can download that for free. You'll sync this up through Bluetooth once you connect this to your vehicle. But let's do this unboxing, a real quick unboxing. We'll go to the vehicle, check it out, test it, make sure it works. Now this is a Saicoo product, and the cool thing about Saicoo is you get 18-month warranty, you get a lifetime technical support, and hassle-free service with them. And they do actually have great support, and they do want you to let them know if you're happy or if you're unhappy, and this is how you do it once you get inside the box. Here's your OBD driving monitor user manual. This is a free app that you will download from iOS or Android. We don't need this, right? Because I'll cover all that. And basically all you do get is the OBD connector right here that will plug right into the service port on your vehicle. Now if you've ever gone to your dealership or AutoZone, you'll know that they plug their little diagnostics tool right into this port on your vehicle, and it's usually easily accessible underneath the dash on your left side. So we'll do this now, and you can see it's OBD2 and it's Saicoo branded on here, so I'm super excited to test this thing out. Alright, how to get to the app? You just type in Saicoo OBD app on your app store, you search that, and then there it is. It's the only one in existence right now. Saicoo OBD. You download this, we'll go into it right now and hit install, and now it's going to do its thing after I accept the terms and conditions about what it's going to look for in your vehicle. Alright, once you're done downloading, you just hit open on it and you'll go into Saicoo app. Alright, now after you open the app, it'll ask for your login, or you can create a new user registration. Now we're going to do a new user registration since this is our very first time. But after this, all you have to do is put in your email address and your password. Alright, so now apparently it only wants a car. So if you have a truck, I'm not sure how to get to the truck portion of this, which may be a problem for you if you have a truck. Maybe this is something they'll fix later, but right now I'm just going to have to go to Honda, because you go through here and I've looked at, Toyota. Let's see here, there's no Toyota Tundra or anything like that. It just lists cars. Hope it's not something I'm missing, but we'll go to Honda. I drive a Honda Ridgeline, so it's not listed. So I guess I'll just have to do something that's in the same possible class, which I'm not sure what exactly it would be. And now it says plug in the device, and it's going to scan for the device after you pick the vehicle. I will message them about where are the trucks at. If you're on Amazon viewing this, or YouTube for that matter, I'll have it down in the description if they fix this or not, and if my truck is listed, and if they get trucks on there instead of cars. But for right now, let's go plug this thing in and see if it works and if it gives us a proper readout. On my Honda Ridgeline, the OBD port is located right up above the gas pedal, up underneath the steering column. Right there, you'll see the port if you look up underneath. Now, I noticed when I plugged it in that there was a red light that came on. It looks like it stays on all the time, so that may be something that you want to unplug whenever you get out of the vehicle and then plug back in if you're going to go on a long trip or something. But if you're going to kind of go back and forth to a short trip, I honestly don't see the point of having it plugged in if it's going to stay on like that. But if you're going to go on a road trip, I definitely would leave that plugged in. I think that's an important tool to have in your arsenal of vacationing. Alright, so I've turned the vehicle on, connected up to the Bluetooth. It'll allow you to put your little picture in there. So I put my face in there, and I can go to settings. Okay, so the app is set up for US units, imperial units, which says US, or metric units. You can set it there. Route connected, so apparently here you can upload your route on 3G or GPRS. So if you have a route in there, a destination route on your Google Maps, I guess, that you can actually click that to upload a route, which I don't have one. So driving alert, and you get an air alert, water temperature alert. You can set your alert temperature, a voltage control alert, speeding alert, tired driving alert. Yeah, the vehicle settings, which you can change this at any time. So if they do get your truck, if they do get the trucks done, you can go back and change it after you have it set up. So I can go into there, yeah, and be able to pick my ridge line once they update to trucks. So yeah, this will basically tell you, your account setting is basically changing your password. So it just completed an inspection. It said the inspection's good, and you see the good lit up there at the top. The two different modes here, you can go to this dial mode, you can go to HUD, which is your oil consumption, RPMs, and your speed in a digital format like that. And then you can go to mirror, which flips it around, which I think you can turn your phone around the opposite direction. So it may cast a reflection off your glass back to you. This is pretty much going to read you, once you click on this down here, this will read you out all your stuff from your OBD. So all your stats will come right here, readily available at the push of that. You can go back to your HUD, which you can turn it back around or mirror that. And then that, I kind of like that setup best for me. At nighttime driving, on my phone anyway, I can actually turn the auto off and leave the screen completely at its lowest setting, and it gets super dim. So at night driving, this is actually preferred if you have it in your peripheral vision. And I can do that on my Samsung Note and put it back in auto there. But now let's take it out on the road and see if it actually records and matches up to my vehicle's miles per hour, see if the app actually reads, which it should, because it's reading it directly from the onboard computer on my truck. So we'll take this for a spin. You can sort of see my miles per hour at the bottom, but as far as I can tell, it adds up correctly, because I mean it's just copying over what your motor's diagnostics is getting anyway for your miles per gallon, so, and your miles per hour and all that stuff. So it should balance out. The RPMs look spot on. The miles per hour look spot on. And here it looks like you can get your route details. Now I just went my average oil consumption miles per gallon. That's pretty accurate with this truck, I'd say, for the short distance that I've gone. And then you get a breakdown pie chart, which is awesome. Say you go out of this, you say you want to quit the system from running, you want to reconnect the system, just hit reconnect and you're back in there pretty quick if you're wondering how to go in and out of this right here. But yeah, this was completely accurate with the speed, because like I said, it's just pulling from your car's computer anyway, and it should never be wrong, and it's not, and it seems to be pretty snappy and detailed, so there's no lag at all, which is awesome. And if you're just reading good here, you can push this and it'll give you a diagnosis. Now I do have my air pressure is low, my back, rear, and my front passenger side tire there. It's because we had a huge temperature shift here lately. So this is all that probably is. I expected that, because I do need to air my tires up. But here, like I said, the HUD, and this will run a complete diagnostics on your vehicle. So we'll back out of that. You can back out of it. You don't have to let it keep doing its thing. So we'll go back, we'll quit the system run, yes. We'll get a health scan, which is a serious fault trouble code, electronic throttle system control, relay off malfunction. So we'll do a re-diagnosis on this. And right now it's running a diagnostic health scan of the vehicle. And it gave the same code, which should be that code there, which was expected. Here's my health score for the most part. The result is good. Inspected 41 items. Here's your route analysis screen, and you actually have where you can scroll through the months and years. So it's 2016 January. This is January now, 2016. So this has been the Saicoo OBD2 diagnostics tool with the app for iOS and Android. I give it a solid 5 out of 5, with the assumption that the truck models will be coming. If not, I would have to downgrade this to a 4 out of 5 if they're only doing cars. My sensor, you can see this right here, because it thinks I'm on a CRV, so it's probably, the trouble code's probably right, but the code may be wrong, because I know I'm having low tire pressured because of our cold snap that we had, and I need to air my tires up. And that's all that code means. But it will give you there, and my ranking's good. But yeah, man, this is just such a beneficial tool. I'm impressed about how snappy the app is, how quick it connects, and how you can navigate through it and get your data kind of right away. And it's in a good manner. It's well laid out, well thought out. So bravo to Saicoo. I really love this product, and I highly recommend it to anyone that goes on vacations or anyone that really owns a vehicle. So this has been Isaiah's Reviews with the OBD2 from Saicoo. Thanks for watching.